Hello, mathematicians. Welcome back to Number Corner. For Number Corner today, we will be working in our daily rectangle to make a withdrawal from our base 10 bank, and we will be practicing our computational fluency by working on a Scout Them Out page to practice some addition facts. Let's get started. Here's what you need. You will need your Number Corner book and a pencil. We will work on two different pages in our Number Corner book today. The first page you need is 67. Get what you need and open up your books. You can pause the video now if you need more time. Okie dokie, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do today is have a look at our base 10 bank. Last time we visited our bank, we needed to take some rectangles or base 10 pieces from our savings account and put them into our checking account. Well, we're going to do the same thing today, only we're going to close out our savings account. We don't need it anymore. We need to move all of our base 10 pieces from our savings account to our checking account. I'll do that for us now. Now that we have our checking account and our savings account put together, what do you think we need to do? Show a connection if you're thinking, it looks like there's too many tens in our tens place. Let's count and see how many there are. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Can we have 12 tens in our tens place? Thumbs up or thumbs down? I should see thumbs down. We need to take some away, but we can't change what our number is. What do you think I can do? Show a connection if you're thinking, we could make 10 tens a hundreds piece. That's good thinking. I'll do that for us now. Now we have 1 hundreds piece, 2 tens, and let's count to see how many ones we have. Count with me. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Thumbs up or thumbs down. Can we have 16 ones in our ones place? I should see thumbs down. That's too many. What do you think we should do? Well, if you're thinking we could do almost the same thing that we did with our tens, that's good thinking. We can take 10 of our ones, put them together, and put them into the tens place. I'll do that for us now. Now we can see that we have 100, we have 3 tens, and we have 6 ones. What's our new total in the base 10 bank? 136. Now we're ready to make our withdrawal. Let's draw our number cards to see what we will withdraw today. We will take out 3 tens and 9 ones for a total of 39. Today, we will show our work on page 67 in our Number Corner books, instead of using our whiteboard and marker. Open up your books to page 67 now. We know that we have 136 pieces in our base 10 bank, and we need to withdraw or subtract 39. Let's write that on page 67. Your page 67 should look just like this. At the top, it should say Base 10 Bank Subtraction, Sheet 1. Let's write our equation in our hundreds, tens, and ones places in these boxes. So we have 136 pieces in our bank. and we're taking away 39 pieces. Take a moment to solve this problem on your own. Use whatever strategy works best for you. You may draw your base 10 pieces, or you may draw an open number line. You may use the splitting strategy or a different strategy. Do what works best for you, and then we'll solve the problem together. If you need more time to solve this problem, pause the video now. Let's look at a few different strategies you may have used to solve this problem. Let's start by drawing our base 10 pieces. For a subtraction problem, when I draw my base 10 pieces, I'll just start by drawing the bigger number first. So I can see that I have 100, 3 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Well, I know that I need to take away 39, and it doesn't look like I have any hundreds to take away because this is empty. So I'll start by taking away my 3 tenths for 30. I'll cross these out. Well, now I have 106 pieces left, and I still need to take away 9 more pieces. Well, can I take 9 away from 6? Thumbs up or thumbs down? No, I can't. So how can I get more ones to take 9 away? That's kind of tricky because I don't have any tens left. I need to take my 100 and decompose it or take it apart. I know if I cross out my 100, I really just change my 100 into 10 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, can I take a 10 and turn it into 10 ones? Now I can. So I need to cross out a 10, and I need to bring 10 ones over here to show I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have the same amount of pieces I had in the hundreds piece. They're just in tens and ones. Now can I take my 9 away? I sure can. I can grab 9 of those ones pieces I just decomposed my 10 into. I can cross them out. Now I can count what I have left. I'll circle them so we can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. I'll put that in my tens place right here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. Show a connection if this is the same answer you have. That's good thinking. Now let's solve this problem in a different way. I'm going to rewrite my problem right over here so I can see it a little better. Now you may have solved this problem by thinking about your hundreds, tens, and ones. Now one way you could have done that is by breaking up your 39 into its tens and ones. So when I see 136, well, I know I need to take 30 away. If I look at my whole top number and then I just look at my tens, I'm really looking at 136 minus 30. Well, I know if I just take my tens away, that will leave me with 106. Now the only thing I have left to take away are my 9 ones. So I'm really left with 106 minus 9. Well, I know that if I take 6 away, I'll still have 3 ones left to take away. Because if I break up 9, I can break it up into 6 and 3 because 6 plus 3 equals 9. So really, I have 106 minus 6, because I'm taking 6 from my 9, equals 100. Well, I know there'll still be 3 ones left. So now I need to think about my 100 minus my last 3 ones. And I know that 100 minus 3 equals 97. Show a connection if you thought about this problem in a similar way. There are lots of ways to solve these problems. Let's have one last look at our base 10 bank for today. We have our 9 10s and 7 1s all set for our next withdrawal. The last thing we'll do in Number Corner today is look at our quick facts from last week and work on a Scout Them Out page. You already have your Number Corner book and your pencil. You just need one brown crayon. Pause the video now to get what you need. Today, you will use page 60 in your Number Corner book to see if you can show that you've mastered a new addition fact. Then we'll work on our Scout Them Out Addition F page, page 72. First, we need to look at our quick facts from last week. Last week, we worked on our Add 9 facts. If you got 18 or more of these facts correct, and you solved them in less than 1 minute, then you've mastered your facts. That means on page 60 in your Number Corner book, you can fill in your Add 9 facts with your brown crayon. When you're done, your page should look like this. If you haven't mastered your Add 9 facts, that's okay. We'll practice them on our Scout Them Out page. Let's have a look at that page for today. If you did not master your Add 9 facts, that's what you're working on page 72. An example of an Add 9 fact would be 2 plus 9. If you've mastered your Add 9 facts, you can choose any of the other facts to work on. Try to choose one you haven't worked on before. If you are choosing the Count On facts, a good example would be 6 plus 3. If you're choosing the Make 10 facts, a good example would be 2 plus 8. If you're choosing the Doubles facts, a good example would be 6 plus 6. If you're choosing your doubles plus or minus 1 facts, a good example would be 6 plus 5. If you're choosing Add 10 facts, a good example would be 6 plus 10. Choose any of the facts to work on, then circle all of those facts and solve them. When you're done solving the facts with the strategy you chose, solve all of the facts on this page. I should see an answer for every addition problem. When you're finished, turn this in to show your teacher your work. I'll see you next time for Number Corner.